Hi, Ron and Ann Mainse here to share a marriage resource opportunity for your church.
We're here in our kitchen where we're about to tape a new season of our show, A Better Us. Perhaps you've seen it.
Yeah, it's a unique program with some of the world's top marriage experts giving teachings on relationships from a Christian perspective.
And then we follow up with a lively discussion right here in our kitchen with our kitchen couples, including CFL football legend Mike Finball Clemens and his wife Diane.
And it's always a great time of fun and learning. But besides our Better Us media outreach, we love to hold in-person marriage enrichment events, meeting with couples all across the country. And that's actually our favorite thing to do, isn't it?
It is. From fun, inspiring date night events to full-day seminars for couples of all ages and stages, we'd love to tailor a marriage enrichment event to suit your needs.
I'm sure we don't have to convince you of the desperate need for strong marriages today in a culture bent on tearing them apart.
We know that the enemy's goal is to steal, kill, and destroy lives, and that's especially true for marriages.
But we also know in that same Bible verse, John 10:10, that Jesus said, I have come that they might have life, full and abundant life. And that includes marriages too.
God has given us a burden and a vision to see every marriage become a loving, Christ-centered union that creates a safe family haven, building a legacy of hope for future generations.
So please connect with us and let's explore how we can work together to bless married couples in your church and community.
For details, visit our website at abetterus.tv and click on events. We hope to come your way.
Thanks for watching and God bless you.